Are you wondering if YouTube TV has the docu-series Quiet on Set: The Dark Side of Kids TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you how you can watch this gripping series. If you're a fan of investigative documentaries, you'll want to hear this. Yes, Quiet on Set: The Dark Side of Kids TV is available on YouTube TV as it airs on E! Entertainment, one of the channels included in YouTube TV's standard package. This docuseries dives into the behind-the-scenes controversies of popular kids' TV shows like Drake and Josh, iCarly and Victorious, making it a must-watch for fans of these programs or true crime enthusiasts. To watch, simply open the YouTube TV app or website, navigate to the E! channel and locate the series in the on-demand library, or check the schedule for upcoming airings. If you miss the live broadcast, you can always use YouTube TV's DVR feature to record the episodes and watch them later at your convenience. With its unlimited DVR storage, you won't have to worry about losing access to the series once it's recorded. If this video helped you figure out how to watch Quiet on Set: The Dark Side of Kids TV on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.